Yo, what's going on, guys? Anders here. Today at the Thermaltake booth at Computex 2019, we are going to take a look to the newest products. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so right now, let me present you the first memory RAM from Thermaltake. This is the TUF RAM RGB, and they looks really cool. So let's take a look on them. First off, this memory RAM looks really cool. As you can see, the RGB is cut into 3 parts. And of course, they are compatible with the TT Plus RGB software, as well with all the motherboard software that we already know, like Asus Aura, RGB Fusion, 4GB, even Razer Chroma, Amazon Alexa, MSI Mystic, and ASRock Polychrome. These memory RAMs feature 16.8 million colors for a variety of light effects, and they currently come in a presentation of 2 memory RAMs of 8GB, giving you a total of 16GB with a max speed of 36,000 MHz. Thermaltake also is going to the water cooling for the RAMs with the Water RAM RGB liquid cooling memories. These ones come with up to 36 MHz with the same compatibility of the motherboards, as well as the TT RGB Plus software. They look really nice with these water blocks, and they come in presentations of 2 RAM sticks of 8GB or 4 RAM sticks of 8GB for the 3200 MHz, and for the 3600 MHz they come in presentations only of 4 RAM sticks of 8GB. I also want to mention that the Water RAM RGB and the TUF RAM RGB comes with Hynix C-Dice chips.
Alright guys, so what we've got here is a special collaboration between Thermaltake and Hatsune Miku. So as you can see from the gaming setup right here, everything is Hatsune Miku themed. It's got the pink and the cyan color theme. So we're going to be looking through each of the parts of the gaming setup and also the peripherals one by one. What we've got here is the GT Comfort Gaming Chair Hatsune Miku Edition. And you can get a closer look right here. Beautiful chair. And just moving on to the peripherals, we've got the level 20 RGB keyboard. This one's also the Miku edition. We've got the Dasher gaming mousepad. And as you can see from the design, it's got a lot of the chibi-fied versions of the Hatsune Miku character. So it's super cute. What we've got right here is the Pulse G100 gaming headset Miku edition, of course. This is the level 20 gaming mouse, also Miku edition. This right here is the Draconem RGB gaming mousepad, and it's got some design art of Hatsune Miku on it, so it's really cool looking. Now moving on to the case. What we've got for the case is the H26, also Miku edition. And inside the case, this is the part that I found was really cool, because aside from the newer products like the TUF RAM and the TUF power supply, which is pretty much kind of like a new line from Thermaltake, we've also got the Miku Edition fans. So as you can see, it follows the same color scheme and it's really cool looking. Something you ought to know about the products, everything except for the 2 gaming mouse pads are still unconfirmed. So everything else are still samples and in the process of confirmation, except for the gaming mouse pads, which are confirmed items. So all in all, guys, this is a super cool collaboration they've got going on here. Everything Hatsune Miku as far as the eye can see. And if you're a Hatsune Miku fan, you'll definitely love this gaming setup so much. It's super cute. And yeah, I mean, they've got everything Hatsune Miku themed. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so there you have it. We just finished up at the Thermaltake booth, and as you saw, they've got some really cool stuff going on here and some really amazing looking RAM. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll be bringing you some more awesome content from Computex 2019.